To quickly check spelling in your document, simply press the F7 key on your keyboard. This handy shortcut immediately opens the spelling and grammar pane, which scans your entire document for any spelling mistakes or grammar issues that need your attention. When Word finds an error, it will highlight the first one and suggest possible corrections. You have the option to accept the suggested change, ignore the error if it's not relevant, or add the word to your dictionary if it's a term you use frequently, like a proper name or technical term. After addressing the current issue, Word will automatically move on to the next one until it has reviewed the entire document. Using the F7 key is by far the fastest and easiest way to run a complete spelling and grammar check without having to navigate through multiple menus or tabs. This tool helps make sure your document is polished, professional, and free of errors before you share, print, or submit it. That's everything you need to know to quickly and effectively check spelling in MS Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more tutorials to enhance your Word skills.